Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and we got another mailbag, and I'm with my only friend, Ben.
And I'm with my only friend, Gary, and we're listening to your comments, your questions, your feedback, and we're responding to them now, and we're also having a little dinner.
And we're having a hero with chicken cutlet, burrata, and grated tomato. And as you can see, I've already gone to work on all four sides of this bad boy, so here we go. I'm just gonna keep going, Ben.
How did you come up with this beauty?
You know, I like any hero with a chicken cutlet. Saw some really nice burrata today. Saw this bread,
Great
nice
bread.
crusty little hero bread. And we got the grated tomato on top, and I said, let's make a marriage. And we did.
I feel like you could add a chicken cutlet to anything and improve it. Good.
Dude, chicken cutlets, let me tell you something. Shout out to a good friend, Sally, who's originally from New York. Sally will make chicken cutlets, and she's going on a flight. She brings them wrapped in foil. You have chicken cutlets on the flight.
Are you serious?
They bring them to the beach.
That's ridiculous.
Chicken cutlets at the beach.
Do they just eat them loose leaf, or they put
Yeah,
in
you bring a
bread?
little container, you get a little chicken cutlet. That's it. Maybe you bring some bread, you make a
Wow.
little sandwich at the beach, or maybe you make it beforehand, whatever you want to do.
I love that they do chicken cutlets like I used to do Cliff Bars.
Exactly.
That's wild.
It's a whole different, you
Yeah,
know.
like most families have Welch's fruit snacks,
Dude.
and they're like, here's a cutlet.
You would have never made it out of Bantam soccer as an Italian kid, because you would have just been loaded up with chicken cutlets in your stomach at halftime. All the other kids are just having oranges, and you're just like, yeah, I just had 2 cutlets.
All right, we're gonna talk about Chicken Francese.
Oh, wow.
How many comments do you think we've gotten about it? Over under 1 billion. $1.5 billion. Regarding the sauce, many find it too watery.
Do we want to keep harping on this?
I want you just have a small platform to defend the sauce and yourself.
There's nothing. You want it a little thicker? Make it a little thicker. I like it a little looser, a little thinner. We had a lot of sauce on the plate because I just poured it right over. I said, let's just go for it. And that's the end. Is it delicious? The chicken is tender, well flavored. It is high quality, lemony, buttery. It's delicious. Go get bent. But thank you anyway.
There was also a lot of comments about how adding garlic makes it a scampi.
Whatever to everybody. 99% of these people, every franchise they've ever had garlic in it and they don't even know it. So we're gonna leave it at that. God bless.
A few other comments asked, what kind of white wine did you use?
When you're cooking, I like to just use a basic cheap grocery store wine. So I'm using like an $11 bottle of Sauvignon Blanc.
Here's a fun one. I have to say the Chicken Francese is one of my favorite chicken. End of the sentence. But the problem is that I never know what to accompany it with. What type of side do you recommend this with?
I would do like a little potato on the side, maybe some broccoli, some string beans, you know, something light. You know, the star of the show is enough to carry you through. So you just a little something off to the side.
Here's another fun question. If you could eat only red meat or seafood for the rest of your life, which would you choose?
Wow. What would you choose? I'm gonna hear you out first.
Oh, I mean red meat for sure.
Yeah?
Because the quality of seafood's a little bit lost on me, where red meat is always a go-to for me. Like I always get the most out of it, where seafood can be a little hit or miss for me, and also like really good seafood, my taste buds are not able to appreciate them as much.
Your taste buds are in shambles.
It's disgusting.
What's going on?
I don't know, I think it was bad parenting.
Something happened.
Yeah, I do wonder if there was like something that happened in my childhood that I blocked out that just made my tongue suck.
Your taste buds and your tongue are like Forrest Gump in the early years with the braces, but you still haven't broken out of it.
Yeah, no, exactly. Yeah.
What happened?
They're like calloused over. They're like, you know what? My tongue is like a boxer with cauliflower ear.
Well, you know, like sometimes when we have a meal, whether it, albeit on the show, or we go somewhere with the ladies, have a little evening dinner, I look over at you once in a while and I go, does he even know?
And I don't.
Could be pizza, could be shrimp. Doesn't have a clue.
Doesn't matter.
How is it?
People ask me, what's one of your favorite foods? And I go, ribs. And they go, pork or beef. I'm like,
don't even know.
I wouldn't even be able to tell you.
Because meals for you are just a means to an end.
Exactly.
You're just their fuel.
Well, did you know that
to a gas station.
Well, speaking of seafood, I can't order sushi because I don't know what's what. I like sushi. I don't know what any. I just learned what nigiri is like a year ago. It's all the same to me.
Wow.
Yeah, someone has to order the rolls and then I just pick it apart. I could not tell you the difference between one roll to another.
It's really amazing.
Yeah, but here I am on a cooking show.
Anyway.
Yeah, let's get back to you.
This is really interesting because steak, it's hard to beat.
Yeah.
But I will say that I love a wide variety of seafood. So I'm thinking about crab legs, I'm thinking about shrimp, I'm thinking about sea bass, mussels, raw and baked clams, cooked,
Sure.
on and on and on. I mean, I know I'm
Yeah.
going seafood. More versatile. I can stretch it out further.
I could see that.
You know?
Yeah, and you a bougie one.
But I'll,
Sure.
you know, like in Goodfellas, I'll get somebody to sneak me in a steak.
Sneak one in.
That guard's becoming a real ball breaker, you know? So,
Let's get your final thoughts on this sandwich. What do you think? Are you happy with yourself?
it's delicious.
Give it a shot. Tell us what you think and let us know if you have any other
Yeah.
questions or comments or concerns on any of our other recipes. We'll see you next time.